Welcome to Midnight Motorsport. Today we're going to continue with the work on our Evo 6, starting with a compression test to assess the overall health of the engine. Then we're going to replace the rocker cover gasket. I've got a hunch that that's the reason there's so much oil in my spark plug wells. You will need a compression tester for this, but they're not expensive. We'll start by removing the spark plug cover. Mine's broken. Then we can remove the ignition coils. Ugh, mine look terrible. From here, I'll go on to remove the spark plugs. This is a really good chance to inspect them if you haven't before. Then I'll put my compression tester in cylinder 1, remove the cam angle sensor, then I'll go turn over the car for about 7 cranks while holding the accelerator to the floor. Remember that a compression test isn't the same as a leak down test. We got really good results, 185 to 190 across all 4 cylinders. It can show a bit high because of carbon buildup, but the consistent numbers are what counts.
Why don't you do some jumping on your trampoline?
I'll proceed here to remove all the bolts, remove the rocker cover, so we can get access to the old gasket. What you're going to need is a gasket kit, either an OEM or an aftermarket one. Some of the aftermarket ones are okay, OEM is always best, but I think I could only get my hands on an aftermarket one in the time frame I wanted, so we'll go with that and see how it goes. You'll also want some gasket sealer. The Permatex Ultra Black is readily available at like super cheap and isn't too expensive. You're going to want to put a little bit of it in certain parts of the rocker cover and certain parts of the cylinder head when you seat the gasket to avoid leaks. I'll show you those spots. If you're struggling to get the rocker cover off, it's been sitting for a while, you can get a mallet and you can tap it in certain spots to help you. You can also get a pry bar around where the cam gears are. That'll help you lift it off too. I like to go through where the gasket's going to be seated with a nearbud, spray some brake cleaner on it and just give it a really good clean. You can see now the spots where I'm applying the Ultra Black. Make sure you get a kit that also has the spark plug well gaskets. These are the other spots where I put the Ultra Black, just in the corners there. A good line across the half moon. Not too much. Then I go ahead and I torque all the bolts back down to spec. Not a really difficult job. Next episode, I realized the horn's not working, so we'll tackle that and fix it. We're going to do a coolant flush, replace the thermostat that's not working, and also tackle a block TX valve I have, which is why there's no aircon on the car.